All right, so we're gonna be making protein ice cream. So it's really easy to make. It only requires 5 to 6 ingredients. Actually, it even calls for less. I just wanna add a little bit more in there for flavor. So you can do this with either cottage cheese, which we're gonna do this round, but I did it before with Greek yogurt, banana, just for add a little extra flavor, peanut butter, and obviously protein to just make a little more protein in there. And then most of the recipes call for honey, but I want to do keto maple syrup just so we didn't have any extra sugar. And then just when I finish it off, a little chocolate chips to finish it up. All right, so we're gonna combine all the ingredients. I'm not gonna go over the details of the exact ingredient list, so I'll leave something in the corner so that way you guys can make it yourself. So here we go. All right, we're gonna pour it into this pan. All right, we're just gonna add some chocolate chips for flavor. All right, we're just gonna throw it in the freezer for an hour and a half to 2 hours, and then it'll be ready. All right, moment of truth. It's good. It's really good.